Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good morning to you all. So here we go then, we're going to look at the results of close-up coins. A huge shout out to everyone that played along. You did see 5 close-up of 5 commemorative 50p coins, and we are going to have a little look to see what those 5 close-ups were. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that played along. So coin number 1 then, we could see the top of the offside rule explained 50p coin. This coin then the rarest of those Olympic 50p's. Move on then to coin number 2. You could see the lettering built there in the middle. And this coin then is off the 2020 Diversity Built Britain 50p coin. Just over 10 million of that one released for circulation. The next coin then, number 3, you can just see the outline there of a pair of hands praying there, and that is the 50th anniversary of the NHS. The final 2 were territory coins, and a huge shout out to all of your knowledge on this one. Everyone really did get them all correct and did so well. We've got the Nativity Christmas 50p. The final coin then, a coin that I actually did manage to find in a coin hunt. What an amazing day that was. It is the Christianity in Man 50p coin. There is indeed going to be 10 of these close-ups coming up at 7 o'clock this evening. And then at 7 p.m. on Sunday, we'll go through all of the answers. Some of them are quite difficult, but hopefully you can get the majority of them correct. If you would like to see any games featured on the channel, please do comment them below. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.